Hey guys, I'm Hannah from Vanrooy Machinery. Today I'm going to be using the Venix combi oven to make some steamed pork belly buns, and we're going to be using the oven for cooking the pork belly and also steaming the buns. And I've already heated up the oven to 140 degrees, and we're going to be starting with cooking our pork in the oven. I'm just going to attach one tray underneath if anything will break. I've been curing the pork belly overnight with some salt and spices, and now I've covered this flesh part with some foil just to be securing it for the long cooking time and roasting. And we're going to be roasting the pork belly 140 degrees for 2.5 hours. The pork has been cooking 2 hours now, and I'm going to be increasing the heat to receive a nice skin. So from 140 degrees, I'm going to be putting 240 degrees. And we're going to cook the pork for an additional 30 minutes. I made the steamed bun dough in this morning, and it has been proving, and now it has been divided and rounded, ready to go. And now I'm going to be shaping the buns. So what I need is just a little bit touch of flour. And you want to keep the top side on the bottom. And what you want to do is to flatten it a little bit, but leaving a little bit more thicker part on the bottom. And the thicker part is going to be your lid. And you could leave it like this, as simple as it is, but I like to make everything very nice and equal size. So I'm going to use a little bit of round cutter and just to make a nice little clean edge to the bun. And now they're going to be going for a tray and waiting for a little bit longer proving, and after that we're going to steam the buns. So the further 30-minute cooking has now ended and the pork is ready. And we have received nice crunchy crust. Now we have set the oven for a steam function for 95 degrees and 100% of steam, and it's time to load our already folded and rested buns. And we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. So the buns have now finished cooking.
Yeah.